Oh, more than one at a time. That makes it so slower.
That sounds bland.
That's the sound of my credit card and my hand together.
Yeah.
If I push it in. Kind of curious to sort of see how I could use this, like figure out, like as I was saying, put the colours into an order to be able to create some sort of scale and then be able to play around with that, make some, make a little tune like Chopsticks we were saying before. I think that could be kind of fun. So I can see the potential for this and what you're doing with it.
So I was initially confused about what exactly I needed to do to get the sound playing reliably. I understand now that it has to do with the distance from the camera itself. I think if it were more discrete about what it plays when it sees something, kind of updating when there's nothing seen, so just don't play anything at that point. I don't know, being more direct. If you see a part of a page, don't play anything until you see the whole page, because that kind of breakdown occurred very early. I eventually got it, but